The iSmartEV EP260 battery pack module charging and discharging all-in-one machine, newly launched by SmartSafe, adopts the most advanced charging and discharging technology and has a variety of built-in test and maintenance modes. It is suitable for the discharge, charge, cycle charge and discharge test of lithium iron phosphate, generic lithium, lithium titanate, lithium manganate, and other types of new energy battery packs. Widely used in battery manufacturers' storage and after-sales, module charging and discharging and rapid matching in battery maintenance of AMS and after-sales maintenance of 4S stores. iSmartEV EP260 is designed with a wide voltage range, which is suitable for discharging, charging and activation tests of modules with different voltage levels. Using high-efficiency aviation original materials, advanced control technology, and multiple discharge modes ensure efficient discharge. High-efficiency charging mode ensures that the battery pack is fully charged, greatly improving charging efficiency. Users can freely set charge and discharge rules, activation times, and effectively improve battery capacity. Supports the collection of data, such as the highest lowest voltage and temperature of a single string of batteries. The collected data is displayed on the screen in the form of bar graphs, reports, and curves and can be partially enlarged, reduced for easy observation. Multiple protection alarms such as reverse polarity, over temperature, short circuit over current, fan failure over voltage, over current, etc. ensure the safe use of the device. In the various tests of the battery charge and discharge test is an important part. The charge and discharge test of the battery is of great help to the battery cycle life and performance evaluation, and is also an important step that cannot be ignored. Well, that's it for the introduction of iSmartEV EP260, SmartSafe EV. To get more information on new products, see you in the next issue.